Hey everybody! I wanted to show you a quick brain pop today about something new we haven't learned about yet called natural resources. Can you say that? Natural resources. That's big two words. Natural resources are things that we get from our environment, and they're super important. We can use the natural resources for lots of different things that are really, really important to us. So I'm going to let Annie and Moby teach us a little bit about natural resources, and when it's over, I'll meet you guys in my backyard. Are you ready? Sound good? Okay, let's watch her.
I'm planting bean seeds. What are you planting, Moby? You're planting peanut butter and jelly seeds? Sandwiches don't grow on trees, Moby. What are natural resources? A natural resource is something of value we get from the environment. Air, water, and sunlight are all natural resources we need to live. Land and soil, plants, and animals are also natural resources. Some natural resources are renewable, which means they can grow back or be replaced over time. These plants are renewable resources. After they're picked, seeds can be planted and grown again. Some natural resources are non-renewable, so it takes a very, very long time for them to be replaced. Coal and oil are non-renewable resources used for energy. They are fossil fuels, which are fuels formed in the earth and made from the remains of plants and animals. It can take millions of years to form fossil fuels, so they're not replaced very easily. How do we use natural resources? We eat many plants, like fruits and vegetables. We also use plants to make different items. Rocks and minerals are natural resources we use to make pottery, glass, and metal. Fossil fuels can be changed into energy that powers and heats homes and runs different kinds of transportation. Petroleum is a fossil fuel used to make plastic and other materials. People depend on natural resources to live, but we're using them up faster than they can be replaced. What is happening to our environment? People are using up natural resources quickly and causing problems in our environment. Some living things are losing their habitats, and some plants and animals are becoming endangered or even extinct. Collecting and transporting fossil fuels like coal and oil can cause big changes in the environment. Land and water can become polluted, hurting many living things. When we burn fossil fuels, we can cause air pollution. Natural resources take time to replace, so it's important we use them wisely.
All right, guys. So Annie and Moby talked to us about what natural resources are and what kinds of things we can get and make from natural resources. So here I am outside in the backyard, and I'm going to look around and see if I can find some natural resources. Do you see any natural resources behind me? I see a really big one, the trees back there, right? Trees are natural resources, plants, just like all plants are natural resources. And trees are important because we can get lots of things from their trunk, from the wood, right? They can make furniture out of them, right, with wood. Paper comes from trees. There's all kinds of things we can get from trees. What other natural resources do you see out here? I know one that we can't see, but that we can feel, right? The air and the wind. That's a natural resource that's super important. What about up in the sky? I have the umbrella up so that I can see and that you guys can see me. But up in the sky, there's the sun, right? We get light from the sun. What kinds of things do you see out here that are not natural resources, but that we can make using natural resources? Anything? The house, right? You can see the side of the house. You see the fence over there, right? Comes from wood, from trees. What about the grill? Is the grill a natural resource? No, it's not. What about the couch? Is the couch and the pillows a natural resource? No, but we did make it out of natural resources, right? Mr. Cam made it out of wood, and we bought those pillows. They have cotton, which is a plant, a natural resource. So there's all kinds of natural resources. I want you guys to go in your backyard and look for a natural resource, and I want you to write me a note on Seesaw telling me what you found and what we can use that natural resource for. I can't wait to see all your ideas. And on Tuesday in our Zoom, we're going to finish watching Annie's Brain Pop, where she tells us how to take care of our natural resources so that we don't run out of them, and how to take better care of our earth. So we will do that on Tuesday. I can't wait to see your natural resources and how you use them. Bye, guys.